For Wall Street Media, this is Tyler. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
For better or worse, huh?
Absolutely. Whatever you mean by that. From the Rodman and Renshaw conference, which you can find at wsw.com/webcast/RRSHQ14.
Do you remember that on your own?
Yes, I did.
You are an amazing
It
young
took
man.
a second. You're amazing. First up, we got the Dendreon Corporation, ticker DNDN. They talked about Provenge, which is a candidate-related prostate cancer treatment.
We talked about that quite a bit. Wasn't approved by the FDA.
Yeah.
Still hoping they get off their ass and get it right.
Which would be nice for people with prostate cancer, since
it's a horrible thing.
Just kill you.
Yeah.
He also talked about Nuvenge, which is a candidate targeting breast cancer. The Dyax Corporation, ticker DYAX, the chairman and CEO, talked about the company's developments in DX88, in the DX88 franchise with commercialization and other development and partnership opportunities. DX88 is a plasma kallikrein inhibitor, which is a key mediator of edema, pain, inflammation, and blood loss. Michelle Burris, SVP and CFO of Trubion Pharmaceuticals, ticker TRBN, gave an overview of the progress of two new drugs, the TRU-015 for rheumatoid arthritis and an anti-inflammatory drug called SBI-087 that are currently in clinical trials and are being developed in partnership with Wyeth. Dan,
is that what they do? They always come up with like 73 numbers.
That's
and
always.
Letters, and then after that, they must hire a team that comes up with these, like the names like this. Like, where's like the Smith drug?
I don't know, but I would love to find that.
Yeah, because I was reading some of these this morning, and I thought, I think the people who came up with these names, they just don't like me.
I don't think they like anybody.
They don't like anyone.
You sit there and you have these random letters and numbers, and you have to come up with a name. So I think they probably have one of those weird.
Yeah, but they need like one with like 6 letters.
I'm with you.
Not like 72 letters, you know?
I'm with you. Dan Spragelman, CFO of CV Therapeutics, their ticker is CVTX. He discussed the developments of the drug Renix, touching on commercial plans and financial gains from the product. The highlight for the company is a new FDA label, which he referred to as a grand slam, giving that the FDA made all the requested modifications. Robert Bloom, CEO of Cytokinetics, ticker CYTK, outlined the progress of various drugs in his company's pipeline, specifically cardiovascular drugs, cancer, and muscle biology treatments. Drug CK-452 was stressed as he mentioned the results of recent studies and a possible collaboration with Amgen for further developments.
I saw on Seeking Alpha this morning, a guy had listed an updated calendar for when approvals were supposed to be coming from the FDA. And a number of them are big drugs, right, that are going to vastly improve or even save Americans' lives. And it's just, it's a disgrace. It's a national disgrace.
What do you mean?
That they have a backlog of months from when they were supposed to be. Like, you know, if you file now, instead of it's like, oh yeah, in a month, so everyone who dies in the next month, tough luck for them.
Right.
If you apply now, it could be 6 months or 8 months until you get a decision, right? And they're even behind on that extended calendar.
Why are they laying people off? What are they doing over there?
No, you don't have to worry about any layoffs there, man. They're living off the taxes from the people who get up and work in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
But they're just taking that money and
not working.
Yeah. Horrible.
We got Larry Cohen, the CEO of VIA Pharmaceuticals, ticker VIAP. He discussed VIA 2219 in great detail, pointing out that its ACS and CEA trials were well received by the HA. He also identified the fact that current therapies only treat risk factors of vascular inflammation, whereas VI 2291 is designed to get at the root of the disease. Rockwell, ticker RMTI, management discussed the SFP product in Phase 2. It is designed to treat anemia caused by chronic kidney failure with initial stage indication for end-stage renal disease. It is delivered to the patient via dialysate during each dialysis treatment, traveling directly to the bloodstream while maintaining iron balance and avoiding liver toxicity. It's expected to launch in 2011. Barry Selleck, CEO of Threshold Pharmaceuticals, I'm starting to eat my tongue here, ticker THLD, mainly focused on the studies and clinical trials involving TH302. The drug is being tested alone and in combination with other drugs and showed efficacy in all studies at the preclinical stage.
That's a unique spelling of efficacy. There are children in China right now having their knuckles hit by a ruler for misspelling efficacy as badly as that. And those children are 6 years old.
You're so friendly. Steve Holtzman, CEO and president of Infinity Pharmaceuticals, ticker INFI. He spoke about the company's small molecule cancer drug development, including IP493 and an HSP90 inhibitor, which is in trials and with patients with advanced solid tumors. He also discussed IPI926, a hedgehog inhibitor delaying tumor regrowth. Harvey Berger, chairman and CEO of
Decided not to go with the burger.
It was a last-minute decision. It was close. I almost did. Chairman and CEO of Ariad Pharmaceuticals, ticker ARIA, spoke about defilorums, a phase 3 program in...
Yeah. Something.
In...
Scarcoma.
Scarcoma with possibilities in other cancers. AP24534, a kinase inhibitor, was also discussed with phase 1 trials ongoing. Fred... I'm sorry.
It's like German Mike's
I'm sorry, Blow.
You know, he was over there the last time the German went home.
I'm sorry, Fredom. Fredom Global, CEO of Cyclone Pharmaceuticals, ticker SCLN. He gave an overview of the business in China, noting that the drug delivery is being expanded to second and third tier activities. Thymauphacin, thank you.
But I know, it's so easy over here. When you're looking at this stuff, man, I mean, I don't even know if we get like the is or the in or the ands right anymore.
Yeah,
but the drugs we got, the drugs, they never get the drugs with the names like this. They always get that in there.
It's incredible. Thymauphacin, thank you very much, I appreciate that, is in phase 3 clinical testing, but it did not reach statistical significance in its primary endpoint. Vincent Milano, CEO of Viropharma, ticker VPHM, covered the progress of Cinryze. you saw that before I got there. Here we go. The progress of Cinryze Maribarilens Vancomycin.
There's a better chance I'm fluent in Vietnamese by next Friday than you
pronouncing this in the next half an hour.
Than anyone pronouncing this.
I think I'll just go to the last word. Vancomycin, remarking that the recent FDA approval for routine prophylaxis for Cinryze left him thrilled.
I'm just thrilled you got through it.
I can't say it. I'm sorry. Maribauer is in the midst of 2 ongoing phase 3 trials and has great potential given its strong and unambiguous phase 3 data. We're
strong and unambiguous, Tyler.
Absolutely. We probably have another minute here.
We do.
William Peters, the CEO of Adherix Technologies, ticker ADH, covered the clinical status of STS enilaurosil ADH1. The company believes that I just said it a second ago. Enilaurosil can be
a different spelling this time in the next sentence.
It can be a direct competitor to Xeloda. Dan Swisher, the CEO of Sunesis Pharmaceuticals, ticker SNSS, spoke about a focus on Voraloxin, a new cancer drug class entering a pivotal AML trial by the end of 2009. Voraloxin is undergoing trials for acute myeloid leukemia and ovarian cancer. Jason Lee, general manager of Hong Kong High Power Technology, ticker HPJ, discusses the product line of rechargeable batteries and their applications. He also discussed the merits of lithium-ion batteries. They're also exploring green power technologies as well as developing new strategic initiatives.
I own a stock in one of the companies, AVAT, that's in China. I'm figuring they're going to be the ones that are going to have to do this and come up with the lithium batteries that will work for the cars, lithium-ion. So I'm glad to see someone else working on it.
Well, yeah, a little competition.
Hello, person watching in Dearborn, Michigan from Ford. Electric cars. Don't worry about how many commercials you can run on the Giants games. Electric cars. You want to bail out? I'll bail you out. Do you know what? Fire everybody not working on electric cars. Okay? It's not working. You're down. Your sales are down 32%, and it's only going to get worse. The only shot you and America have are electric cars.
If we bail them out, we're bailing out the unions. What are we?
Right, $72 an hour. Push the broom.
Unbelievable.
Can you imagine that didn't pan out as a business model?
Yep.
You know, I want to look up Howard or Fred or Ricky and tell them I got an idea for you for a business. I'm going to use carbon fuel emissions, right? I'm going to pay these guys $72 an hour. I'm going to have 400,000 of them stand around, and we're going to make like old crappy stuff, right? That pollutes the earth, gives money to our enemies, right?
And when that goes down, you and I are going to...
And can I borrow some money to start that company up?
That's insane.
Hello, Howard? Howard?
I don't think...
Where you going? I guess my VC meeting is over.
Yeah, that was a quick one.
Yeah.
Moving on, where are we at here with time? I think we're out of time here.
All right, Tyler.
Thanks for punching me, Doug. We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at wsmco.com. Thank you very much.
Electric cars.